Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Call of Duty connection failed error. Let's get into it. First, initialize the Technical Studio DNS refresh. Open your network settings and technicality, change your DNS server addresses to a professional high-end provider like Cloudflare 1.1.1.1 or Google 8.8.8.8. Open the command prompt as an administrator and technicality type ipconfig flushdns to purge the latest outdated routing data from your operating system. This step technicality points your studio rig toward the latest high-end data tunnels, bypassing amateur quality routing that triggers the latest connection failures. Next, execute high-end studio account re-authentication. Open your game launcher, battle.net or Steam, and technicality log out of your account entirely. Close the launcher, wait 10 seconds, and then technicality log back in to refresh your high-end authentication certificates for the latest session. It technicality instructions the server to issue a new high-end security handshake, ensuring your studio build connects with professional fluidity. Next, verify the professional environment and launch. After the firewall settings are applied, technicality restart your PC to finalize all latest network registry changes. Launch Call of Duty through the technical launcher interface and monitor the connecting to online services screen for high-end stability. Once the game technicality connects, your high-end performance is live, allowing you to return to the latest competitive market. And that's it. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.